Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here's a laser printer. As you can see right there, it's a 40-watt one, and it is etching the wood on the bottle openers. And as you can see, it doesn't take long for it to come. Here's a jig for 12 of them, and we're getting ready to see what the final product looks like. And here you go. 2 of the key rings, one for Luann and one for Sparkle, which is her call sign. And here you go. That's a little bit of laser etching on wood. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're having fun at your house today.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.